Hello my YouTubers, and guys, today I'm going to show you the sites that you can use to learn Python. And Python is a programming language which is mostly used by programmers, maybe to make something like an application, or something like in ethical hacking, where you will be using Linux. So guys, I want you to take your smartphones and go to Play Store. So you tap on the search icon and search Python programming. Okay, it's not that I'm trying to promote the app developers, but guys, I thought this will be helpful. So the Python, and guys, I can see it is not here, so let me show you. Okay, and guys, for those who have no idea about Python, it is mostly used in Linux hacking, and you can see we have different apps for hacking and learning Python, the learning ethical hacking. So guys, I'm going to show you the site which is good for Python programming. As you can all see down there, I've already installed it. So you just come to your Play Store and search coding Python. Okay, and as you can all see, it is in my list, which is here is the app. This is how the app looks like, and it has some very good reviews. As you can all see, we can see that this guy says the app is incredible, excellent work, and has great features. So guys, I recommend this app to learn Python. You can do your programming for the Python, and it is very good. I have tried it myself, and so guys, I will teach you henceforth how to go about the Python programming, so that we can be good.